back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Chelsea and you guys subscribe down below. Today we are doing my second move-in video where I'm kind of doing like the final touches of decorating. We ordered some new stuff off of Amazon and yeah. So right now we're gonna go to Chipotle because I'm hungry. I just left appointment and then we're gonna go over to Hobby Lobby to see if we can find like any like small decoration. Went to Home Goods in the last video, but that was just kind of like, I guess, essential decoration thingies or whatever. Don't really need much, but we're gonna see what we find at Hobby Lobby. Alright guys, so we ended up getting, or what we usually get from Dutch Bros is lavender lemonade. I definitely wanted to try this other drink, but I just remembered that as we're driving away. And it's okay because we're gonna come back on Sunday after church. We're not? I thought we were making a thing out of it. Does anybody else, like, when you eat egg, like, your eggs digest fast? Because I feel like I had eggs 2 days in a row. Like, there's nothing wrong with having eggs 2 days in a row. Yesterday when I had eggs, I had it at 7:30. By 10 something, I was hungry. It could just be because I'm pregnant. But even today, like, my husband made us breakfast and I was hungry. Well, obviously. Basically what I get from Chipotle, I get brown rice, black beans. Sometimes I say like black bean juice. That's just like if I want to be difficult that day because I feel like they be hating when people say that. Chipotle honey chicken with fajitas as well, so both. And then sour cream, I get the little tomato mix or whatever it's called, and some cheese. Sometimes I get lettuce, but today I didn't want lettuce. I don't know if y'all can see me, but I convinced him to come inside with me. This is my outfit, guys. This is Brandy. Purse is Amazon. Hydro jug. I'm using a ring light in here, but there's a bin. I'm thinking that'll be good for next to the couch for like blankets and stuff, because I think really the only area we need to work on is like the couch, and then maybe a little like shelf thing, which is actually on the other side. Let's leave my husband wants to go get a cart, but just like little things, like we don't need nothing big for real. Alright guys, I put a new lens on my camera, so hopefully you guys can see me. It's mostly like a wider view or something. We'll see how that works, but we are back home from Hobby Lobby, and we just got a couple of things. We ended up getting this pillow for the couch that says home. We're gonna get like bigger pillows. I think that's what we're just gonna do for now. Then we got this sign that says Jesus loves me, and I'm thinking about putting it above the couch just to kind of add some, you know, character dimension in here. I got this little standing thingy for our little like entry table area. I'll put this on top of there for like keys and like hope that looks kind of cute. I actually got stuff from Walmart and Amazon. Ooh. Okay, so my husband and I made this a no shoe house. Not that anyone has been here yet, but I don't have any house slippers. And I was gonna get some on Amazon for like $20. Then I went on Walmart and I saw these for $10. And they are like squishy here. This is how they look up close. Okay, so then you guys, if you guys watched my last moving vlog, you guys know that we need more hangers. So I got 50 hangers. They also smell kind of weird, but what can I do about that? I don't even understand how the stuff I ordered all fit in this one box right here, but somehow it did. I got some new laundry baskets. So I got 2 with this little cream print on it. Insert a picture until we built them, but we ended up getting these 2 black nightstands. I'm probably gonna chill and then maybe get into like a little bit of cleaning and stuff and decorating. The plan is to really like, I just wanna have the house like done for the most part, all over here, get all these boxes out, like stop ordering stuff so that we can focus on baby girl, which is coming sooner than we think. You never really know. So 10 weeks or less, I should say, is what I have. So I got 2. One is gonna be strictly for my husband, and then one is gonna be for me and baby girl, because no offense to my husband, he just plays football, and that's all I need to say.
What?
You want me to tell them you stink? You guys also know the lighting here is so bad, so I got a ring light. Does it look better? Yay! Okay, so I am gonna actually clean up out here, probably prop some YouTube on the TV. You guys remember my other video as well? We got these from Target. Open them and just put them away, whether we're using them right now or not. I just want everything to kind of like look like a home. All right, first we're gonna start with the couch. This is current state of the couch. I'm obviously not gonna hang that sign right now, but it will be hung. Kind of know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the pillow in the middle, one of the blankets on the couch, and then the other blanket. I have this basket from my old room that I'm gonna use. We were gonna buy one, but I was like, this is big enough for one blanket. I'm only putting one blanket in there. Honestly, this blanket matches the couch the most, or the pillow. So I'm gonna use this one, even though this originally wasn't a couch blanket.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
We are now in the kitchen. As you can see behind me, I don't even know if you can see, there's dishes all in here. We have these to clean. These are already clean. We're about to knock this out. The kitchen isn't like too bad. I actually cleared out the fridge yesterday. I'm gonna clean the stove and everything because we've been cooking.
Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
Alright guys, this is the update right now. We have trash over there, couch, we have the poster on the couch, we have that. And this is the desk. We're about to do it together. And then this is now the state of the kitchen. Dishes are clean, just mopped, wiped down the stove. Alright, so you guys see the desk, right? I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up detail of the desk before I start organizing it. That's all I'm gonna do for right now until my husband wakes up. It's been about an hour, maybe. My back is starting to hurt, so I need to sit down. But I do want to finish, you know, the desk. I just want to finish out here, but I'm really liking how it's looking, super clean. And obviously I'll give you guys a full reveal after we do everything, which will be our complete house tour. All right guys, so we have the desk. I just got this whiteboard. It literally says February still. All right, so we have the desk, boom, boom, boom. Right here we have 3 drawers. They get bigger as they go down. The first 2 are the same size. Then we have, my parents ended up getting me a desktop for my online job. We have a little phone stand, and then on the side we have this little file thing. So now I have in here is like important papers, and then just like my computer case. That probably is just gonna stay how it is. And then that's the little stool I had in my room that I was using as a temporary nightstand that I now just brought out here to use furniture. So I'm thinking this drawer is either, sorry, I don't want my daughter to jump at you. Either this drawer or this drawer is gonna be my electric drawer. So like all my camera stuff, like these are 2 like tripod adjusted things. I think I'm gonna actually put in the second one. I just have this bag of stuff to go through. It's got a lot. I don't really know what I'm putting at the desk, not gonna lie. We will see.
Nice, we time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't.
Alright, this is editing Chelsea, so just so you know, the whole rest of the video is literally filmed in slow-mo. So I'm gonna voice over plus kind of try to chop it up so that y'all understand what was going on. Thank you for making it this far. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Alright, so here's the finished nightstand that we built. Then I'm showing you guys the laundry baskets I put in the room. We put the nightstands next to the bed. This is the stuff that's going to go on the nightstand. And then this is the stuff that needs to get hung up. I'm going to put the extra hangers up here on this bar. And then I did not buy those white foldable bins for the rest of the clothes. I'm just going to leave it as it is.
Have this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
Alright, here I'm having the most beautiful conversation with you while I'm putting the clothes away, and I don't remember what I was talking about, but we were going to be best friends after this conversation. So I'm so sorry. I don't know anything that I was saying, but this is me putting the clothes in the closet.
You need to say this to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.